You got this drive here. You got this drive. Yes, guys. Yeah, in this drive, you can download the course syllabus and all the detail I given here. So please download. So the fresher, so the new learners, please, okay, click the drive and download all the files. Okay. And also there's a few things I want to highlight. The students who joined for the first time, I will talk to you at end of the session. Okay, I will talk to you at the end of the session. Okay, Durga Prasad, I went to YouTube workshop and Jama, I greatly appreciate the effort you. I hope you'll cover this topic. Yeah, definitely, Durga Prasad. I'll cover it at once as these things are new. So don't worry, we covered all those things. Okay. Okay. So guys, anyone tell me what is identifier? Anyone tell me what is identifier? Okay, let me tell you name or variables, guys. Variables. Okay. So let me tell you before I ask one questions. And the students who joined for the first time, I will take unique name given to the variable. Very good. So I covered few classes. And what are the demo sessions we covered till today is basics like who am I and my experience, who am I and my experience. And then we talk about like okay, prerequisite who can learn this course. And then we talk about like some placements, and we talk about syllabus copy and what are the topics we will cover. And all these details, basic part we covered. Basic part we covered, guys. So assume basic part we covered. Okay. And also we just install Anaconda software, and I will show you how to install one more time. Last 15 minutes or last 20 minutes, please stay with me. Please stay with me for the new students. Stay with me for new students. I will talk to you and I will guide you in detail. Very much clear. And one concepts we covered, Python identifier. All right. What is the syntax, guys? What is the syntax? The syntax is variable name equals to value. Just go here and let's go to online team, offline team. There's a lot of things. Variable name equals to value. So everyone, please open your laptop and just listen my classes and work with me. Just listen my classes and work with me. If you not bring laptop, no problem, but try to. Is that free course? Hey, Sheikh, what questions you asking, man? Come on. No, this is not a free course, Sheikh. This is a paid course. Okay. Yeah, no problem. So just minimize and then go to the code and just here. So, and I did unique name label. Yeah. What is rules and regulations, guys? So what is the rules to define identifier? Rules to define. Okay. So very simple. I'll refresh again and let's know number. Very good. So here, do you see, guys, LeetCode? The before I introduce, have you heard about LeetCode? Yeah, case sensitive. This LeetCode is very powerful. And okay, and anyway, just go here and I want to show you. 1 second. Let me tell you, the guys who experience in Python, the one who good at OOPS concepts, the students who good at all the part, don't worry. Okay, so these are the basic. I'll explain from what is the rules, guys. It is a case sensitive. What is meant by case sensitive? A equal to 5. If I call with capital A, it is an error or not an error, guys? It is error or not an error? It is an error because we assigned the value. So the first concept in Python we covered is variable and value. What is the Python first concepts we covered, guys? Variable and value. This is the first concepts, right? And second concepts, no problem. The guys who joined for the first time, it's a very simple. The syntax A equal to 5. So A is variable, 5 is value. Okay. Now the second concept is rules to define the variable or identifier, isn't it? So what is the rules? This is the rules we said. So if you go the code NIT 27, capital NIT, it is an error again. Value equal to variable, is it valid or invalid? Invalid, because we go against the rule. When we go against the rule, how many type of error? Anyone remember the previous class? 3 type of error. What are the error? Syntax. Syntax, what we called? Syntax, what we call? Compile time error. Compile, what is compile time error? I type a code. If I forgot to put comma, the error happened from user side is called compile time error. Understand? So if you, when you type something and if you forgot to put comma or colon and runtime error and logical error, okay? Look at this code. NIT3 equals to 89. You got output or not? But if I change to 3 NIT, it is a valid or invalid? Why? What is this? The second one is identifier case sensitive. This one we covered. Identifier never start with digit. This is what we covered. Special characters. What is special characters, guys? At the rate, symbol. Okay, variable cannot. Very good, Sai. Now at the rate, underscore. Just check. Syntax error or not? Who give this error? I'm a user. I use at the rate or not? That's called. Now when I underscore, just go ahead and underscore. Error or output? Error or output, anyone? Online team, can you acknowledge me? All symbols except underscore. Only underscore is allowed here. Do you see this? Only underscore is allowed. All other characters are not allowed. Dollar sign, it is error or output, guys? Error. Okay. Now this would be clear. Cap, NIT cap 8, error or output? Online team, everyone work with me. You just type and very simple. You have to do two things together. You have to do two things together. So the first thing is listening and typing, and brain is enlightened, isn't it? So now here three things. So all the learnings we pass to the brain and brain concepts are activated. So we have activation functions in neural network. We have a activation function. So three things you need to do together. And also the students who are experienced, just calm down, because 85% of my students right now are non-technical. And let me tell you, at the end of the day, after 6 months, only non-technical people only get placed. There is a proof. Let me show you. This is our Instagram, and another student placed today. Being a ECE background to mechanical, just go here. And this is what Harichandra, this is what he's he's the first AI intern. The package is 35K per month. It's a Singapore based organizations. It is a Singapore based organizations. Understand, guys, this one. And also I will show you the way. So guys, but before that, I want to ask you here, and 1 second. 7:30 p.m. batch, sir. Whatever covered earlier classes will repeat again. Yeah, I will repeat again. I will repeat again. Whatever the classes I covered, I'll repeat again. Okay. So just I will show you today. My morning 10:30 a.m. batch. Another student placed in Accenture. Let me show you. Do you see this, guys? 10:30 a.m. and congratulations by Accenture. ECE background to data science within 5 months. ECE background to data science within 5 months. Do you see the friends? The batch is not complete yet. The batch is not complete yet. I will bring her to the classes. I will bring her to the classes and then please share that you have covered. Amlan, I will give you, no worries. So if you are non-technical, don't worry, just do hard work. Definitely things will be changed. In this work, in this classes, I will cover a lot of advanced technology like Kaggle, Hugging Face, integrate with large language model, stable diffusion. You heard about these concepts. Stable package is 5 LPA. Package is 5 LPA. So the same way you have a class link or not, the class link created for 7:30 p.m. batch as well. The class link created for 7:30 p.m. batch as well. So these many people are enrolled here. So what about technical background? You will get more package. Technical background, you will get more package. Okay, no problem. So stable diffusion model, most of the movie industry now integrate with AI. Most of the movie industry integrate with AI. So stable diffusion I'm covering. I didn't get the class link yet. Which class link, Alina? Okay, same link. Okay, Alina, same link, no problem. Okay, yeah. Sir, I did not get the Google class link. No problem. Guys, I'll talk to you next one. Okay, please listen the class. I will take you a part of, I can do other classes also. No, Ravindra, just follow my class, listen to me. And do you see how exactly every cricket matches, they have a, there is a, these things going on or not? That means how the ball pass, what is technique, a lot of planning happen with every players, so they do it. So this we covered using yellow daily at 7:30. Shake exactly 7:30 for 1 or 2 to 3 days will be 7:40. Shake, a lot of questions, man. I will talk to you, no problem. Then here, this is called Meta Llama 3. So this is large language model. Do you heard about AR, VR? Anyone go to movie theaters? They have a game called AR or not? AR, VR. What is that? You get into this vision. So you get inside and you feel like real world or not? That is called, 1 second. Please. Okay. Okay, guys. Virtual reality. Lot of people virtual reality. Do you see? Kids are most engaging with AR, VR or not? So whenever you go to shopping malls, some theaters, you guys can see all the, so here AI is integrated with AR, VR. So how exactly this thing? So all AI algorithms has built on it, right? Look at this. This who created Meta has created by Facebook or not? See, even though you feel like I play in the ground and you move your hands like this in the air only, but some outside, if someone see his face like, okay, what is this guy doing? Isn't it the one who don't know about this? Okay, so let's talk about this one, minimize, and let's get back to the code. Let's get back to the code. And so there's a more opportunities on AI models, guys, generative AI model. So if you go to, so let's come back to the classes and I will take backup classes for last 30 minutes. Don't go, don't go. If anyone joined for the first time, I will repeat same sentence 2 times and write so that everything would be navigate to the Jupyter for practice along with. So Sashi Kumar, just I will write few things today. I'll please don't. I will talk to you at the end. I will talk to you at the end. That's what I'm saying. I will take 30 minutes backup classes. Please stay with me. Please stay with me. Okay, team? Okay, team. Thanks. Just go here. Go to the code. So, I have not download. Ratnawala, I'll teach you. I'll teach you. Don't worry. Is it valid or invalid? How many keywords we have? Don't worry. I will explain all those things. How many keywords we have? 35 keywords. Okay. 35 keywords. 35 keywords. Which keywords are capital letters, guys? Out of 35 keywords, true, false, none is the first letter begins with. Do you see this? Import keyword, keyword dot list. Today's first day. Mayuri, again and again, I'm saying, guys, let me write down the student who joined for the first time. Please understand, and I will explain again at last 30 minutes. Can you please wait? No, I'm BTech guy. I can't wait. Hey, no, man, just we try to understand. Okay, please. Okay, team. Good. Paid but now not, no problem. See, also the one who enrolled, please, you will be safe. You will be safe, even though if you don't confirmation, even though you don't get confirmations. Don't worry about this. Let's go ahead and we start. Okay, true, false, none. Please focus the class, guys, and then we talk about it. Okay. And also, as the one who learned Python, don't worry. True plus true. What exactly happened? True plus true. What is output? How do you know? Because internally, true represents to 1 and false represents to 0. So true plus false is 1 plus 0 is 1. So what about this now? We solve or not? 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1, isn't it? So you get true plus true. So first BODMAS roll or not, guys? 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and true equal to 1. So this part we already covered this. Okay, today let's introduce a new concepts, and first concepts I want to explain what is Python IDE. What is Python? Okay, assume the guy who joined for the first time, today is a first day. Let's think today is a first day and let's start again. What is IDE, guys? IDE means integrated development environment. Okay. So what is Python IDE? Python IDE means integrated development environment or environment. So using IDE, one can write code, run the code, debug the code. Very much clear? What is IDE? A developer. You can run the code, type the code, debug the code. Very much clear. So when I say work with me, please work. When you say for project development, we use IDE for everything. So IDE take care of interpreting the Python code, running Python scripts, building. See, when we execute this code, I'm a developer, I write, and now machines understand code and generate output or not. It generate output or it creates error, anything it create, guys. Understand? So next here, just go to this part. And IDE enable programmers to combine different aspects of writing computer program. So how many IDEs we have, guys? Jupyter, PyCharm, VS Code, the world's #1 IDE. I will tell you how to install most practical we develop using this. See, I don't want you to tell the scare you, but we have a very fantastic practical. So language translations, this is NLP AI practical. So what happened? Google, yeah, all those things, guys. So minimize, just go to this now. I'll show you this one, but before, okay, see, I developed one project for 5:30 p.m. batch. Let's see. Just go here, terminal, new terminal. Okay. And just go to command prompt. What is the name of the project? Language translations. Guys, please follow the classes. Please follow the classes. Language translation CD 11. And I have here multiple. Just one second. I will tell you what exactly the projects we have and then enter. Okay. Just here, enter. So then you can try as Streamlit run and langtranslations.py. So do you see TE for Telugu, TA for Tamil? We have all these languages or not? When you go to Google, see, hi, please enter text here to translate. I can say, welcome to 7:30 p.m. batch student and trust my classes, work hard and get the job and show me the offer. And this is a front end or not? This is a front end. In go to Google, you type Google Translator, same application it will create, right? Now, which language I want to convert it this English language to Hindi? Just go here, H. You type H or one moment here. Okay, so here, just try this. Now let's see. Now translate. 7:30 बजे के बैच में आपका स्वागत है विद्यार्थी। Okay. मेरी कक्षाओं पर भरोसा करें, कड़ी मेहनत करें और नौकरी पाएं और मुझे प्रस्ताव दिखाएं। Good. Very interesting. You want to build this project's online team? Can you understand? Are you understand, guys? No, this is not Gemini API based. Okay. So are you so okay? Which language now? Hey, don't say French. Nobody knows it. He's cold also, nobody knows it. Okay, now I want to change to Telugu. Just one second. Okay, so here, see, this is the code you have to develop. Okay, hey, no, man, I don't type. So here, if you try like other languages, in a lot of them know, okay, Telugu as well, maybe CT. So you have to build just like this. Just check this and read it now. సాయంత్రం ఉదయం 7:30 బ్యాచ్ విద్యార్థికి స్వాగతం. I hope I understand. So this is just a funny applications we built. మరియు నాకు ఆఫర్ను చూపించండి. So okay, so these are the projects. I hope understand. So this is a see, you see the front end applications, but here we write a NLTK code. It's a translating good. Yeah, we will build this later. It's not API based, it's purely code based. Guys, just calm down. I hope this is not funny, guys, because Google does for you or not. I develop it. You develop it tomorrow. That's your projects, language translations. Okay, let's go back to the code now. Let's go. I just had a small practical and I wanted to say we can talk with foreign guy without interpreter. Very good, Srikant. You can talk. You don't need to depend on anyone. You're a developer. Okay, what is IDE? Are we clear, guys? What is IDE? IDE means interpret. I mean, IDE means develop environment where user can write the code, understand the code. Okay, next one. Next one, Python interpreter and compiler. Python interpreter versus compiler. Let's understand this and then we go to the data type. What is interpreter? Very simple. Good. Interpreter means translate the program one statement at a time. Interpreter means run every, excuse me, guys. What are you doing right now? Did I said anything to type? So please focus on the classes and then we can do it. Okay. What is interpreter? Run every line item one by one. For example, I'll have this code. Just go to Spider and I want to show you this. Just one second. So the difference between interpreter is if you write 10 line of code, first line execute. It will check you have error or not. That's called interpret. Second line, check. What is compiler? Every code run at once. Compiler means, see this guys. This is the code we written here. And one moment, just allow. Here, do you see first line code execute? You got output here or not? NumPy. Second line code execute. This is called interpreter. Understand? What is compiler? All the code run at once. All the code run at once. So let me write it down here. Interpreter means, okay, execute or run the code line by line. Very much clear? Run the code line by line. This is called Python interpreter. And then Python compiler. What is compiler, guys? What is compiler? Run entire code at once. So when we deployment, we do this. Deployment, we will do this. Okay, next one. Today I start first part Python data types. Just Python data types. So how many data types we have? Int, I hope these are the basic thing, float, string, and complex and bool. What is meant by int? The value without decimal. The value without decimal. So the best way to write the variable is just first letter of the concept. Listen to me. What I'm saying, whenever you assigned any variable, so the first way to int, so we're working on int. What I'm going to do now, the first thing, let's scroll down. 21st July. I select to markdown and head here, Python data types. The first one in float, complex, and you have like bool. And then what else, guys? String. Okay. Now, if you know, that's, and these are the basic, actually these things taught in the school days only. But as what is markdown? In markdown, you make some notes. Like in PDF, PowerPoint, you add some documents or not? Okay, what is int? What is the first letter of int, guys? I, right? I means int. I equal to 7. This is an integer or not? How do I know type of I? Can you type now? Work with me, everyone. Work with me. First, you type I equal to 7 and type I. If you do, then don't work. We can do together later part as well. Very much clear. And how do you know type of functions? Let me tell you guys, function always ends with open bracket and close brackets. Remember the logic? Function always ends with open bracket, and these are the rules you have to understand. So the moment when you say function type of I, which data type is it? Integer or not? This is a integer. Now very much clear. Now let's say, can I create another variable? So can I create another variable? Elena, just calm down. Okay, just calm down. We will have all those things one by one. Just follow. And then we know this, most of them already know this. It's let me finish quickly and then we go to the data structures. Okay, no problem. So 1i equals to 8. Is it valid or invalid? 1i. Is it valid or invalid, guys? This is not valid. But if I change to, just go and execute, invalid, syntax error. Let's copy and I paste here. If I change I1 and if I delete, then it's a valid or invalid? Valid. Now I plus I1, can I get output? What is output? 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Let me tell you guys, these are the basic. That doesn't mean that you know all those things. And these are the basic, not. So today is the day one and we try to understand basic data type. Let me cover all those things. Okay. Now I plus one. So all the first day the student who joined for the first time, I will take a backup class. Just backup class. Just wait. Integer completed. This is very much integer is done or not. Next, can we go to the float now? So what is integer, guys? Integer means value without decimal. If the value with the decimal, what we called float. Just go to this. For example, petrol price. What is the petrol price, guys? I think 110 point float or not? Salary, employee salary, 2 lakh point sum of the amount. So here, the float, what is the first letter? F. F equal to petrol price, 110.10 bucks. So just F, execute. Type of F is float. Non-technical team, are you working with me? Are you guys work with me? Only everyone understand? Everyone understand, guys? Yeah. Okay. Let me tell you, these integer, these data type, everyone know. Even though if I ask to 7th class kid, he will explain me. So no need to be so much. Okay, these things would be easy. So just calm down. All right. So the one who had, I will take a previous backup classes. Function always ends with what, guys? Open bracket and okay. I want to introduce new concepts. Let's say family. Family one. In family one, let's say dad, let's say mom. In the functions, do you see this dad and mom we call parameters or argument. So dad and mom in technically we called as argument or parameters. Do you see large language model trained with 9 billion parameters? Hello guys, you understand what I'm trying to say? Large language model trained with 9 billion parameters. So how many parameters I pass? 2 parameters, guys. So online team, are you understand what is meant by parameters, everyone, or argument? Now, can you tell me fam2, they have dad, mom, and son and daughter. So how many parameters? Very good. So what we called, so a user passed, a user declare or define, user declare or define 4 argument or both are same. In interview, someone called argument, someone called parameters. Hello guys, are you understood everyone offline team? So, so 4 argument or parameters, guys. So a user declared 4 argument and 4 parameters, right, guys? Now let's say a family, let's say a city has more families or not? Okay, so the parameter will be big or not? I mean to say, large language model, if you see Llama 3 or yesterday, I was talk about Gemini AI. One second, View Gemini View. This is a new platform. Do you see the Google Gemini LLM models? And these models, but the same argument cannot be declared 2 types or not. Somrat, wait, man, but the same argument, how do you define same argument? No, when I talk about functions, then you ask your questions about this. Okay. This has created by Gemini View new AI models. Okay. So go to here. Sumrat, are you clear? Now Google and then Gemini is a large language model. And here, just one second. DeepMind, Google Gemini, and let me open it. And here I had a workshops on Gemma 2 model. Just little scroll down, little scroll down, little scroll down. I will tell you Gemma model or not. Let me click this. When you click Gemma model, it's trained with 2 billion, 7 billion, 9 billion parameters. That means you required a high-end system or not? How many of them clear what I'm speaking right now? Online team, offline team, are you clear? So large language model, let me tell you, LLM models require more argument. So that's why we cannot train a user, cannot train. That's called pre-trained models. I'll explain later. I'll explain later what is meant by pre-trained and fine-tune. Okay, let's go here and let's get back to the code. Are you guys done, everyone? Are you typed this? Online team, offline team? So we had, if you know, that's fine. No need to type f of equal float. We done, guys? Now, f2 equal to 1 e to the power 0. F equal to 1 e to the power 0. What is meant by 1 e to the power 0? Just go ahead. So internally, just go ahead and check. A little scroll down and minimize. Just go here and F2 execute 1.0 or not. So that means what happened? Float, right? 1 into e to the power 0 means 1 equals to 1. Float means 0.0 has to be. So now you may ask a question, why only e? Why only e? Because there's a few things designed by the founders, researchers, isn't it? Why we walk only left side means what to say. That is a rule. We cannot break the rule. Now you can say, sir, if I pass f3 equals to 1 e to the power 0, it is error, guys. Only e letter is accepted in float. Am I clear? Only e letter is it's accepted in float. Okay. Can you try just copy and F3? F means what? Float, right? So whenever you write any code from now onwards, the code has to be written based on the variable declarations, based on the concept. If you learn OOPS concepts, you mention OOPS O. If you learn any data type, so it's easy to understand. Can you tell me what is output? E to the power 1 now? E to the power 1 now, guys? Anyone? 10.0. E to the power 1 means? So that means what happened? E to the power 0 means 1. E to the power 1 means? Can we check e to the power 2 now? What is e to the power 2? Just F4 equals to 2 e to the power 2. Anybody response, please? F4. F4. You type and answer me, guys. 200 or 200.0? Just go ahead and check 200.0. Are you working with me, guys, everyone? So as online team, are you work with me? So these are the basic, okay? And now you just type what I'm typing, or I'll show you one by one. You plot visualizations very 200.0. Okay, next one. Float. Let's say F5 equals to 3 capital to the capital E 3. It is valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Capital E. I said E is allowed, but F5, let's check, it is valid. So float, what exactly float, guys? Let's go here. Float means value with decimal and only E letter is allowed. Guys, let me tell you, you are learning data science codes. You are learning data science codes. In the data science, you have GenAI plus LLM. More job opportunity in next 2 years. In next 2 years, it has a more job opportunities. Now, ML, it has job reduced because ML was developed already 7 years back. Understand? So this has more opportunities. And as I'm working expert on this part, I work with my European client and I'm an architect as well. So how drive, I know very well. So please trust my class and work with me. Every day is a practical class. Come back, bring your laptop, just you study for yourself and you study for your struggle and your futures. Very much clear? Okay, so next one. Float is completed. Can we go back to the string now? So S equals to string equals to NIT. I will share one documentations today to everyone. Let me finish this data type and then we go back to this one. Please type string equal to NIT. S. See, string always ends with single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Let's go here and I will go up and mention string always declares with single quotes and double quotes and triple quotes. But what is difference among them? Just follow me. As NIT we got or not? Which code? Single quotes I load here. Everyone you try. Are you doing with me? Offline team? Okay. So you can follow after that you can try. S1 equal to NIT. S1 equal to NIT1. Just execute S1. So do you see any differences among both? No. But here, if I give a space, I got the space here or not? But now let's say S2 equal to NIT. Let's pass triple quotes. So here we define single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. We got same output, but what is difference exactly? Let me tell you, whenever we're working with text data, large text processing, we speaking to someone or not? It is a text. So let's say about S3 equal to NIT, and I can say welcome, new batch for generative AI, Gen AI batch, and AI batch, all those things. So here, how many lines I have, guys? 3 lines or not? This is called multi-line. Single line, multi-line. So these are single lines or not? Just go here and S3 execute. Error or not? Syntax error. Unterminated string literal detected in line 1. Untermed means now this is S3, we got error. Now let's copy. I create S4 now. I create S4. Let's try with 2 codes. Let's try with double quotes. And is it error or invalid? Let's check. Error again. Now let's copy and here and then 1, 2, 3 and then here 1, 2, 3. Just go here and S4. Let's change to S5. Okay, now you got output now, guys. So what is meaning by this now? Single quotes, double quotes cannot work for multi-line comments. So triple quotes only. So triple quotes. So online team, are you understand everyone? Just understand, guys. I will share you one book today, small work. Let's see how many of them will complete. Just go here, work, and I'll just little introductions. These are the basic part, 7:30. And this week I'll schedule all the tests. I mean, those are tests are very helpful for you to know difference between putting a single quote and double quote. Hina, no difference, no difference. But as see, we have a 2 road, guys. I want to go to shop in 2 roads. What is the difference between 2 road? You can go this road, you can go that road. But there is a logic. Hina, I hope you understood, right? No. So clear. So just go ahead and yes. So let's go to 22 Python code. Can you answer this now? Keyword.kw 35 keywords we got or not? So true, false, none. Identified. It is valid or invalid? It is valid or invalid? Invalid. This is valid or invalid? Invalid. Import 125, valid or invalid? Because this is a keyword. Because this is a keyword. Keyword cannot be identifiers. Val2 equals to 10. Valid or invalid? This one also valid. Comments. Do you see this is multi-line comment? We talk about multi-line comments or not? Okay. Now let's go to the code. Let's go to the code. Very simple. So in string, triple quotes we use for multi comments, guys. Let me write down. And here, triple quotes we use for multi-line comment. Triple quotes we use for multi-line comment. So string, but very simple. We try to just S. I want to print only N, guys. I want to print only N. So how do I print? How about two? We used two lines. We use for two lines, also multiple lines, Ashikumar. Triple, double quote, can I give? Sushavan, no, don't give. So very simple. Being a beginner level, you ask more questions, but no problem. You just work along with me. You try after that. You get error. Now, S of, see what happened? NIT. Remember, how do we calculate numbers, guys? How do we calculate numbers? 1, 2, 3, right? But Python understand the number 0, 1, 2. So can I create a formula n equals to n minus 1 or not? Online team, please understand. These are the basic. Can I create the formula n equal to n minus 1? Because we understand 1, 2, 3, but Python understand 0, 1, 2. So 0 means first. So let's implement these concepts in the code. Let's implement these concepts in the code. For example, S of 0. What is output? What is output? N. S of, what is output? 1. So S of 2. T. Very much clear or not? So how do we print? This is called string indexing. This concepts we called as string indexing. How do I print all these things together? So print S of 0. Let me copy and let's paste here. And let's paste here 1 and 2. Just execute. We print NIT or not? Guys, are you understand? Everyone, offline team, everyone clear, guys? Offline, online team, everyone clear? Okay, I know the guys who these are the basic, everybody know, but I cannot skip it. You want me to skip this? As you know, online team? No. So a few things we have to go this. Okay, we can't skip any things because you work with me, you gain more confidence. Tomorrow upcoming classes, just more practical. You got a nice visualizations as well, team. Okay. Yeah. So how many topics we covered so far? Int, float, string. These are the basics, man. I'll give you some work. So the next one, what is else, guys? Complex and Boolean. Boolean equals to B true. Just execute B. We got true or not? Type of B. Type is a function or not, guys? Type is a function. So this is inbuilt function. This is inbuilt function. So what exactly happened? I think 2 plus 1 second, 2 plus 3. And here, add 2 comma. Okay, see, I want to tell you one more concepts in Python. Let's see. 2 plus 3 equals to, I will come back. 2 plus 3 equals to 5, right? A user write 2 plus 3, 5. But how system understand? There is a concept called method, class and method. Understand? There is a concept called class and method. So internally, behind the scene, it call add method. Behind the scene, it call which method? Add method. So when I call add method, it got output 5 or not? This is a concept of OOPS, object oriented programming language. So here, let's see int dot sub 2 underscore 2 comma 3. What is output? -1 or not? Now, int dot mul means what? So you don't need to type anything, just 2 underscore mul multiplications 2 comma 3 6. So guys, I hope you cleared this part, guys. Please repeat. So what exactly I'm saying, guys, please focus the classes. No problem. This is advanced concepts. This concept's called magic method in Python. What exactly magic method in Python? So here, just go to the text box, Python, and let me change to this one. So Python magic methods are add method, add method, sub method, multiplications method. We have all these methods. Are you guys understand or not? So this is one of the OOPS concept we discuss later. We discuss later. Guys, I hope you understood. Online team, today's sessions, are you clear? So we go ahead and understand one by one, and I'm typing, I'm explaining. If you know, that's fantastic. Just follow. We try to go ahead with more advanced concepts day by day. Just work with me, and just you focus the classes and learn, guys. Very much clear. So what is meant by Boolean? Boolean means true or false. True or false. B. Do you see false or not? This is called Boolean. You will get true plus true. What is output? True. We already covered that. So then here, false divided by 2. What is output? False divided by true. What is output, guys? 0 or not? False means 0 divided by 1, 0. But if I write true divided by false, what happened? 0 division error. This is the interview question. Okay, this is the interview questions, guys. So this is called 0 division error. So infinity we learn in math, right, guys? 0 division error. So now there is a very interesting, I try to, are you clear? What is Boolean and all those things? Next one, complex. Online team, I hope everyone understand. If you, not infinity, we got infinity in math. So I will take backup classes, the guys who joined for the first time and the one who know, that's fine. These are the basic, let me cover. And tomorrow onwards, I'll repeat again. I'll give you some assignment today and let's see how many of them complete. Okay, this is what. Now I was talk about, okay, let's, can you, if I give you, can you work this one? If I give you this document, would you work? Yes or no? The concepts I'm explaining now, concepts I'm explaining in today's class. Document, I will give it to you. You need to be work on it. Just little scroll down and Boolean, I will, you try. If not understand, I'll get back to this. String, okay, hello Python, all right. My string, now let's try the string indexing. Indexing is divided into two parts. One is forward string and one is backward string. Let me write down. The string concepts has divided into how many parts? Two parts, string index. Do you know this is forward index means what? Do you see when we watch the music, please forward the music. So forward means what? Left to right. And backward indexing means right to left. Backward indexing means what, guys? Right to left. Shake. I'll come back to you. Right to left. Very much clear. This is forward index. This is backward index. Okay. So guys, I'll again, we covered up tomorrow. So any backup classes, I will take a backup sessions. See, hello Python, H letter is 0 index. Shake. It, okay. Can you please take down all the previous class links, guys, everyone? And string 0, are we get H or not? String 0 means what? H. 1 means N. I will share this to you. Can you please try? If any questions, please come back to me. And online team, the one who joined for the first time, I will share all those things. So again, the one who enrolled, so these are the beginning classes, guys. I will take all the basic data types like this. Please share me the list. One moment. One moment. Just 1 second. Just go to the drive. Just go to the drive. Please repeat it once, dear student. Okay, Nagababu and announce, I'll share this list. Any non-technical doubts about, please, guys, can you please take down these numbers, everyone? Can you please take down these numbers? Offline team, online team. Just these are the numbers we have. So these are the Mr. Nagababu number and Usharani ma'am and Mr. Nagashar, he take care of online, and Mr. Ajay, sir, he's take care of offline. Please talk to them. Okay. See, Elena, try to understand, dear. Okay. See, the not response means what is the questions? You can ask me now, they will respond. Okay. So there's a few detail. Now this is zero division error. Can we cover last one, guys? Can we cover last one, online team, offline team? So how many parts? So today, once I completed the data type, I'll share you can work. Yes. How many of them say yes? Can we cover last one? Okay. Just go to add. Let's go ahead. Complex. What is complex markdown? Just go here. In Java, you don't have a concepts of complex. In Java programming language, you don't have complex data type. Understand? So the complex C equals to 1 plus 2j. This is the syntax. In complex, the how do you define 1 plus 2j? So that means when you say C, why I got this error, guys? Anyone? Why I got this error? Because I haven't execute this. Just go here and execute this one. Okay. Or maybe I will see D equal to 2 plus 3j D. Understand? Now C plus D. What exactly output, guys? So here I'll define, wait. So just 1 second. C equal to 1 plus 2j. D equal to 2 plus, this part we called real part. This part we called imaginary part. 1 plus 2, 3, and 2 plus 3, 5j. So look at this one, and the answer we got as 3 plus 5j. Very much clear, guys. Very much clear. So now what we have, so yes, good. So C plus D is 3 plus 5j. Are you clear? So let's say, how do I know which is real? Let me tell you, see, every time C dot tab, what you do? C dot tab. In the tab, you have three options given. Real part and enter. I got 1.0 or not? See, C is what, guys? Can you type, guys? Are you typing with me? Are you guys working online team? Okay. So when you every time now C dot tab, IMAG or not? Just that means imaginary 2.0. So this is 1, 2 point. C1. Okay. Do we have a C1 or D? I'm sorry. D. If I want to print 3, what I need to type, guys? If I need 3, what I need to type? D dot real, D dot imaginary. You can say I tab. Let me tell you few logics. You don't need to type entire code. Just put a dot and tab. It will give you all the help options. Everywhere the manuals are there or not. The same way you can try to get all these informations here. So D dot img, you got this one. D dot real, try this. You got this one. So team, I will repeat again. Just one moment. So what are the topics we understand? Let's go ahead to the notes or maybe code. In this code, there's a lot of practical. Let's do it. First, integer. Are we clear or not? Everyone, online team, offline team. What is integer? The value without decimal. Float, the value with, and only E letter is allowed. Complex, what is the format? A plus BJ. A plus BJ. A is called real part and B is called imaginary part, and J has a special meaning which is square root of -1. Square root of 1. So J has, B is called imaginary part. What is Boolean, guys? True and false. And what is string? Always ends with, and we learn string indexing. String indexing. Are you clear, non-technical people? Are you clear, non-technical people? So I will upload all these notes to you. Please explain complex again. Shashi Kumar, very simple. What happened? Are we doing a plus b whole square or not? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I mean to say the complex, always remember it has to be defined with 1 plus 2j. J has mandatory in imaginary part. Understand, Sashikant? Yes, guys? Okay. And where we implement for more mathematics applications, we will implement this. More mathematic applications, we will implement this. These are the basic data type. So could you please? Okay, Sagar, no problem. See, if I explain like this, there's a lot of topics, Sagar. I will share this notes. Can you practice, Sagar? I will share this document to you now. Okay, Sagar, you can do it. So guys, it's not fast. It is fast. No, it is very slow. I'm explaining. Okay, Sagar. Yeah, I know when you're typing might be it is slow. When you're typing might be slow, but don't worry. I will share this to you. And the one who joining for the first time stay, I will post these two documents. I'll post file and just give me a moment, guys. File, download. Please complete and come back. You guys understand a lot. Just go here and minimize. I'll explain, Amlan, I'll explain again tomorrow. So this is just a startup. I'll get in deep again. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Forward indexing, but I'll have a more practical. We have Amlan. No need to worry. At this moment, go to Amlan clear. Just go to the document here and I will download. Just one moment. I'll go to download and then there's a few things I want to tell you guys. Stay calm, focus, practice, creative projects, resume preparations, apply job, fail, flunk, and then get offers. Understand? So if you, this is small practical you have to do. Do you see a lot of practical we build today? The language translations, you don't depend on Google anymore. You build your own applications, you write your own code. So just go here and I will share this one. So lead code, I'll explain tomorrow, Pratish. Okay. I will give you, just wait. Let me share you all the files over here and work. downloads, just desktop, NIT, 7:30 p.m. July, and here the first one, data types. Okay, yeah. So I'm sharing today 4 files to you. Just go here and let me drag and drop here. Can you everyone check? Are you got the 4 file? Please give me a confirmations. In Somrat, Sushma, what I'm saying, this is a oops concept. Okay, Sushma? Oops concepts I'll explain later. Today I just introduce, you need to miss one underscore. Sushma, can you do two underscore? So can you once again post the drive link? Yeah. And refresh it. Everyone, online team and offline team, can you please check the drive? And in the drive, you have to just post. The second drive, not yet updated. Can you refresh? Can you refresh? Just go here. I got my file here. Just if you see this, Python data type, Python code PDF, I updated, guys. Everyone confirm offline team, please. Updated. Very good. Yes, got it. Now, what you do, very simple. I'll share you this code data type, right? How do you open it? Just go to this file and go to this file. You download, open a Jupyter notebook, open a Jupyter notebook. And in here, do you see upload options or not? Do you see upload options, guys? Click on upload and then go to the file locations and NIT evening batch 7:30 and data type and double click on it. It will open, guys. Okay, here it will open and you can start this one. Pretty clear up to this? Just got it updated. So now you can open, see there's a lot of practicals we have. It's showing fail to open. Come on, Bhaskar. It is download first, buddy. That's what I'm saying. Many people not listening. So how do you open the file? I just go to the file. Let me tell you, this is a PDF, right? This is a PDF. This is a PDF. Data type interview questions. Okay. Can we discuss interview now? Okay. What is type following one? Can you please answer this one? You see the answer and you immediately respond. Very smart guys, man. Answer is given definitely. Okay, wait. What is type of following 7.1? 7.1, string or float? Online team. Hey, I want you to respond, man. I don't want you to leave. Okay. What about this? Come on. Answer is visible. Integer 12.3. Very good. What about this? Int true. Question number 4. Are you sure? Okay. Int number 4 online team. Okay. Wait. Hey, wait, man. Wait, I will see this. What do you call a value that doesn't have a decimal value? Huh? Answer this. Please read the questions. Don't look at the next line. Okay. Because you're BTech guys, right? So like 6. What do you call a value that does have a decimal values? What do you call a value that does have decimals value? Fantastic. Guys, are you answer? Hey, who's this mentioned, man? Float. Decimal number of float. Fantastic. 7th. Slowly, I'll interview questions. What data type can only have either true or false? Boolean, right? Okay, can you tell me what code could turn the string 1 into integer? Wait. Just a little. Hey, slow down. Tell me now. Hey, what code? Can you 8 number answer? Respond, please. 8 number answer. Respond, please. Listen. What code would turn the string into an integer? A or B? Online team? Who said A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, guys? Hey, no, man, there's no G at all. I give you three options only. Hey, someone, hey, where is int? Wait, let's check. Int 1, B. Whoever said B, they're right. So this I will tell you tomorrow, typecasting. I will explain tomorrow how to convert one data type to other data type, typecasting. 9. What character begins single line comment? Single line comment. Hash. Answer hash. Okay, this is comment. What is meant by comment? I didn't explain you. I will explain tomorrow. Okay, I didn't explain you. I will explain tomorrow. What do you call when we convert from one data type to another? Okay, can you respond? Casting or converting and changing. Which one? Typecast. I haven't introduced today. I'll introduce tomorrow. Do you want this type of interview questions or not? I create everyone. There is a website called LeetCode. Do you see LeetCode? Where is that? What is the question number? 2877. Create a data frame from list. If you test case, these are the test cases. And when you run the test cases, you have to develop this code because in interview, this type of questions you will encounter. So this LeetCode has three parts: easy, medium, and hard. The LeetCode has three parts: easy, medium, and hard. This is the graph. Easy part, and then this would be medium part, and this would be hard part. If you close easy part from LeetCode, you will get a job with minimum 10 LPA package. Minimum 10 LPA. If you crack medium part, then your offer is become 20 LPA. If you become hard part, you are working Fang or Mang. You know what is Mang? It's not mango, guys. It's Mang. So just Mang means Meta. Formerly it was Meta, Apple, and then what? Amazon, and then Netflix, and then we have Google. All right. So to do this, but trust me, it's not so easy, guys. Trust me, it's not so easy. So slowly, I mean, those things has advanced, but I'm trying to create a lot of new things: Stable Diffusion, Ultralytics, and Gemini Veo. We build a lot of models as well. And this way starting stage, and then I hope clear. I hope clear. So guys, the first thing I want to write it down. Can you please all the documents uploaded, and I will talk to you. Please offline team any questions. Offline team, the one who already enrolled, please go to the lab from tomorrow. Are you providing solutions for LeetCode? If I providing everything, then what do you do, Sri Mishra? If I give you solutions, what you do? Forget about LeetCode. First, we go ahead the basic part. Okay. Yeah. When starting regular class, don't you think it's a regular class? It is a demo. You feel, Vamshi? Can I have talk? Definitely. Vamshi already started, buddy. Okay. Yeah. Document up. Hello, sir. I'm Priyanka. Okay. So offline team, you check. Everyone, you check. You got the file. I want you to complete the 4 file today at any cost. I want to give you a few tasks. Task 1. Please listen. Class explanations code. Everyone. Task 1. Task 2. What is a task 2? The document which I shared. 2 tasks. Can you complete it? So today onwards, the task assignment started. Task is different, project is different, resume project is different. So there's a 3 things. Task is different, project is different, resume project is different. Very much clear up to this, everyone? Online team, today's, I will talk to you. Just the one who joined for the first time, just wait. Okay, everyone, please scan the QR code. Just go ahead.